Welcome again, guys, to another video. This is Brombo from Creative FX. This time around I just brought an informative video. If you are on Telegram, you should have seen that I posted indicators for MT5 and also the template that I use. So this is how the template looks like from the screen. And for those who want the template or who didn't see the message from my Telegram channel, there's a link in the description. Please click that link and it will take you through to where the indicators are. But yeah, so I'm just going to go through how to install this for it to work. So let's get right straight into it. If you already know how to do this, there's no need for you to watch the video. This is only for people who do not know how to install or who want to find out the easiest way to do it. So let's say you already have MT5. If you don't have MT5, again, you can download MT5 on this description link that I've just posted on my screen right now. But you can get MT5 even through the broker that you're using. And so if you want to install it, you just quickly want to go to a chart. In this case, I already have all the instruments underneath here. But let's say you've got a new MetaTrader. This is how it's gonna pop up. So you're gonna have most probably 4 of charts in this nature, and they're gonna be stacked all around through the screen in tile format, or you're gonna have them this way instead of candles. Don't worry, this is just an easy fix. So what you want to do is you want to leave your MT4 or MT5 open like this. And again, if you have MT4, it's still the same process, but I only sent the MT5 indicator. So this is only for those who want to use MT5. So you need to go to Telegram. I'm just gonna pop up the Telegram window to show you guys where the indicators are. So if you go to the Telegram channel, this is the indicator folder. It doesn't have a password, so you should be able to extract the indicators out, and this is the template. So you want to download these into your computer, and I'm not gonna do this in this video because it's already downloaded on mine. And after that, you want to minimize the Telegram window and then go back to your MT5. So you click on File and then move to where it's written Open Data Folder. Click on that. It will open a window like this. So now after opening this window, you click on MQL5. As you can see, this folder has got experts, files, images, indicators, etc. So you click open on it, and then you move to the folder that says indicators. So what you want to do is you want to copy the indicators that you downloaded and then come and paste them in here as it is together with its folders. Don't change anything, just copy and paste it in this indicators folder. And then you go and copy the template, and you just go back once and you get into profiles, templates, and then just paste the template on there. Like as you can see, I've got mine already in there. So once you do all that, all you need to do is just to close this window. Now there are 2 ways to get this to work. It's either you close your MT5 completely and restart it, or another thing you can do is to come to View and then you come to Navigator, and it will open a window like this one. So you want to come to where it says indicators at the top here. So for some, probably all this will be closed. You want to come to indicators here, right click on it, and click refresh. So what you're doing, you're just loading those indicators that are already on that folder so they can refresh in this page. So you start to see indicators lining up at the bottom here. When this is done, you close right here, and then from there you right click and go to templates under timeframes, and you can pick the template that I shared with you and just click on it, and then everything will be printed out to you as is. If there's any challenge, please let me know in the comments below, and then I'll see how I can help you. Otherwise, this is it, guys. It's very simple, and that's just what you need to do. So follow the instructions and everything else should be easy for you. We'll meet on the next one. Cheers.